To add the footer div tag and define its CSS rules, page 64 in your tutorial. The footer of a site typically includes copyright or content information. The gallery site displays the year and the copyright information. The following steps define the CSS rules for the .footer class. Step 1. If necessary, scroll right and then click the right of the .content div within the document to move the insertion point to the div.container element. Click the Insert Div Tag button on the Insert bar to display the Insert Div Tag dialog box. In the class text box, type footer to name the div tag. Click the New CSS Rule button to add a new CSS rule that defines the footer class. Refer to Figure 2-26. Step 2. Click the OK button to add the .footer selector name to the layout.css and display the CSS rule definition for .footer in the layout.css dialog box. Click the Font Family box arrow and click Verdana, Geneva, Sans Serif to set the font family. Click the font size text box, type 8. Click the PX button and then click PT to change the units to PT and the font size to 8 points. Click the color text box and type #333 to change the font color of the .footer div region to dark gray. Refer to Figure 2-27. Step 3. Click the Apply button to apply the type settings. Click Box in the category list to display the box options. Click the Width text box and then type 800 to set the width of 800 pixels for the .footer class. Click the float box arrow and then click left to set the value of the float property. Refer to Figure 2-28. Step 4. Click the Apply button to apply the CSS rules for the .footer class within the layout.css style sheet. Click the OK button in the CSS rule definition dialog box to define the CSS rules for the .footer class. Click the OK button on the Insert Div Tag dialog box to close the Insert Div Tag dialog box. If necessary, select the text "Content for class footer goes here" and type "Copyright 2014, all rights reserved" to enter the .footer class text. Refer to Figure 2-29. Click Save on the standard toolbar to save your progress.